When Mee joined us from Gangtok, Sikkim for the first time in match number 15, there was no electricity on her side. She was in absolute darkness.
Hello, sir. Sir,
Great.
due to
Yes.
lightning, we don't have light right now.
Oh my God.
It was a power cut due to lightning. But her determination was brighter than the stars. And that is what inspired us the most about Mee Hangma. Mee decided to race in spite of a power cut. Holding a battery-powered light, we witnessed another amazing race.
Oh,
Yeah,
it
it's
is
very visible.
it is perfectly visible.
Yeah.
Nice, Mee Hangma.
We must not forget that this was not the expected situation for the robot to race. Yet, the way it was performing was something extraordinary. Instead of all the difficulties, Mee clocked a timing of around 1 minute 48 seconds for her first attempt, and further improving it to 1 minute 34 seconds by the time she finished her third round. We saw Mee in the last semi-final match where she looked confident. Her best time was 1 minute 34 seconds in the league round, and if she wanted to be in the final, she must clock her best time under 1 minute 19 seconds to beat her competitor. But look what she did.
And this is the
About to end.
and stop. 49 seconds. Look at the timing, and this has been a very perfect challenge.
Mee's robot completed the first round in just 49 seconds, and she made her place in the final. Mee moved to the 5th position from nowhere. In the next 2 rounds, Mee's robot just went crazy and could not complete the race. Both W Baba and the judge mentioned that the issue was with the sensor calibration.
And the the sensors have not been properly calibrated.
So Mee Hangma did a great job, and she is definitely a good contender for the final now. So people from all over Sikkim do join us to support Mee Hangma in the final.
Best of luck, Mee!
A final that will be remembered for a long time. A final that will showcase the talent of our country. Join us live on December 11th, 7 p.m. onwards, only on India's best robotics learning YouTube channel, WitBlox.